Welcome to TrueReviews. Is cTrader truly the cutting-edge trading platform it claims to be, or is it just another overhyped tool? Today, we'll explore everything you need to know about cTrader, from its regulations and features to its reviews and customer support. Let's find out if cTrader really lives up to its reputation, or if there's more than meets the eye. First, let's talk regulations. While cTrader itself isn't directly regulated, the brokers that offer it, such as FxPro and Pepperstone, are regulated by major authorities like the FCA and ASIC. This means the brokers are safe, but the platform's lack of regulation could raise concerns for some. Does this make it less reliable? It's something to consider when choosing a broker. Now, let's dive into the features. cTrader is known for its fast trade execution, powerful charting tools, and its automation capabilities with cTrader Automate. It's great for those into algorithmic trading. However, some users report issues with fluctuating stop-loss orders and occasional connection problems due to Spotware's proxy network. Could these technical glitches affect your trades? Looking at user reviews, cTrader is praised for its sleek interface, advanced charting features, and multi-device accessibility. However, some traders complain about limited broker availability and occasional glitches. Does the platform's mixed feedback make it unreliable, or are these just isolated cases? When it comes to customer support, cTrader offers 24/5 assistance, but response times are sometimes slow. If you need help quickly, this could be a problem. Is this a deal breaker for you? So, is cTrader the right platform for you? It offers fast execution, excellent charting, and great automation tools, but it also has a few drawbacks, like limited broker options and occasional technical glitches. Ultimately, it's up to you to decide if the pros outweigh the cons. Just make sure you're fully informed before diving in.